Imagine booting into a Linux distribution you've never heard of before, expecting just another Ubuntu or Arch derivative with a different wallpaper, only to realize that it actually feels fresh. That's exactly the experience many Linux enthusiasts are having with PersisOS. In a world where new Linux distributions appear almost every month, it's becoming harder for any project to stand out. Most simply change the desktop theme, include a few extra applications, and call it a brand new operating system. But every now and then, a distribution comes along that genuinely catches attention because of its design choices, usability, and vision. Today we're taking a complete hands-on look at PersisOS to see whether it's simply another Linux remix or if it's actually worth installing on your computer. The first thing you'll notice after downloading and booting PersisOS is its clean presentation. The installation process feels modern and straightforward, making it accessible even for users who are switching from Windows for the first time. Everything is organized in a logical way, and you don't need advanced Linux knowledge to complete the installation. Hardware detection is smooth, the interface responds quickly. Within minutes, you're looking at a polished desktop that immediately gives the impression of a carefully designed operating system rather than a hobby project. Once you reach the desktop, PersisOS begins to reveal its personality. The overall layout feels familiar enough that experienced Linux users won't have trouble navigating it, but it also introduces its own visual identity. Icons are crisp, fonts are readable, animations are subtle, and the desktop feels balanced without being overloaded with unnecessary effects. It's clear that the developers wanted something modern while still keeping system resources under control. The result is a desktop that feels lightweight but visually attractive at the same time. Performance is one of the most important factors for any Linux distribution, and this is where PersisOS makes a strong first impression. Applications launch quickly, desktop navigation remains smooth, and multitasking feels responsive even on modest hardware. Opening multiple browser tabs, running Office applications, streaming videos, and managing files all happen without noticeable slowdowns. While benchmark numbers always vary depending on hardware, the overall experience suggests that the developers have focused on optimization instead of simply adding more features. Software availability is another area where PersisOS performs well. A fresh installation already includes many of the applications most users need for daily computing. There's a capable web browser, media player, Office suite, file manager, image viewer, and system utilities ready to use immediately after installation. This means new users don't have to spend hours searching for essential software before becoming productive. At the same time, advanced users still have access to package management tools that allow them to install thousands of additional applications from official repositories. One of the biggest concerns people have when trying a new Linux distribution is hardware compatibility. Nobody wants to spend hours troubleshooting Wi-Fi drivers, graphics issues, or audio problems. During testing, PersisOS handled common hardware components smoothly. Network connectivity worked reliably. Audio devices were detected properly. USB peripherals connected without issues, and display scaling behaved as expected. Of course, compatibility depends on individual hardware configurations, but the overall experience suggests that PersisOS aims to provide a hassle-free installation for the majority of users. Customization is another strength that deserves attention. Linux users love making their desktop truly personal. And PersisOS gives plenty of flexibility without overwhelming beginners. It's changing wallpapers, themes, icons, panel layouts, and desktop behavior can all be done through user-friendly settings rather than requiring complicated terminal commands. Advanced users can still modify nearly every aspect of the operating system, but newcomers won't feel intimidated because most common options are available through graphical interfaces. Security and stability also appear to be priorities. Regular package updates help keep the system secure while maintaining compatibility with installed software. Linux has always been respected for its strong security model, and PersisOS benefits from that foundation while providing an update process that feels simple and predictable. The package manager clearly presents available updates, making routine maintenance straightforward, even for users who have never managed a Linux system before. For developers, PersisOS provides a comfortable working environment. Popular programming languages, development tools, package managers, terminal utilities, and code editors are either pre-installed or easily available. Whether you're writing Python scripts, compiling C++ applications, building web projects, or managing containers, The operating system provides a solid platform for software development. The terminal experience feels responsive, package installation is quick, and documentation from the broader Linux ecosystem remains highly relevant because PersisOS follows familiar Linux standards. Gamers may also find PersisOS interesting. Linux gaming has improved dramatically over the past few years thanks to technologies like Proton, Vulkan, and improved graphics drivers. While gaming performance still depends on hardware and driver support, PersisOS provides the necessary foundation for modern Linux gaming. Popular game launchers can be installed easily, graphics acceleration works well on supported hardware, and many Windows games now run surprisingly smoothly through compatibility layers. Daily usability is where PersisOS really shines. Small details like fast boot times, responsive search functionality, intuitive system settings, efficient file management, and polished notifications contribute to an operating system that feels enjoyable rather than frustrating. These little improvements often matter more than flashy features because they're experienced every single day. Instead of trying to reinvent the Linux desktop, PersisOS focuses on making everyday computing simpler and more pleasant. No operating system is perfect, and PersisOS still has room to grow. As a newer distribution, its community is naturally smaller than long-established projects like Ubuntu, Fedora, or Linux Mint. That means tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and community discussions may not be as extensive yet. Some niche software packages may require additional configuration, and users with highly specialized workflows could occasionally encounter minor compatibility issues. However, these are common challenges for emerging Linux distributions and are likely to improve as the community expands. After spending time exploring PersisOS, it's easy to understand why it's beginning to attract attention within the Linux community. It delivers a polished desktop experience, solid performance, useful pre-installed applications, reliable hardware support, and a clean design philosophy without trying to be unnecessarily complicated. Whether you're a Windows user looking for a modern Linux alternative, a longtime Linux enthusiast interested in trying something different, or simply someone who enjoys discovering new open-source projects, PersisOS is definitely worth keeping on your radar. It proves that innovation in the Linux ecosystem is still alive, and sometimes a fresh perspective can make an operating system feel exciting again. If this project continues to mature at its current pace, PersisOS could become one of the most interesting Linux distributions to watch in the coming years. Thanks so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, I really appreciate your time. PersisOS is definitely one of those Linux distributions that's worth keeping an eye on. Whether you're a longtime Linux user looking for something fresh, or someone thinking about leaving Windows behind, this distro offers a polished experience that's exciting to explore. Now I'd love to hear from you. Have you already tried PersisOS? What was your experience? Or if you haven't installed it yet, would you consider giving it a chance? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I've read as many comments as I can, and your feedback often helps decide what we'll review next. If you enjoyed this hands-on review and want more Linux distro reviews, open source software, AI tools, Windows tips, and tech content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. We're constantly testing new operating systems, comparing Linux distributions, exploring hidden features, and bringing you practical tutorials that help you get the most out of your computer. Thank you once again for being here and supporting the channel. Your views, likes, comments, and subscriptions truly help us continue creating quality content for the Linux community. Till next time, stay curious, keep learning, and as always, keep exploring the world of Linux. See you in the next video.